Good morning, viewers. Like all other day, today I am here today. Also, today is 15th of May 2020. I appeal to like my videos, share my videos, and subscribe my channel if it is useful. Now, today we will discuss about the 5 factors that's going to be the determinant of market territory. First, I am coming to the Nifty technical part. Recently, Nifty made a ceiling of 9,800 mark and made a bottom of 7,600. But neither at the top, neither at the low, Nifty sustained. From both the area, it has moved back. So, if we take both the 9,800 and 7,500, if we add both of them and divide it by 2, we are getting the average of 8650. Means 8650 is the base price for next 1.5 months for Nifty. But if we want to buy Nifty, we should expect get at least 10 to 15% discount. Then we can make money out of it. This is the first technical point. And next is oil price. Oil price we have seen in 2016. There was a dramatic low, and once again in 2019. Why this oil is troubling? Because we are shifting to other energies like solar, wind, and hydropower, and most importantly nuclear power, which is used for the heavy industries. So because of this climate change, we are bound to shift from thermal power, which is made out of oil and coal. We are moving to alternative energy. So the traditional shale oil, and which is called NYMEX oil, and Brent crude oil is going to be restrained to use. And the third point is, because of this lower oil price, the liquidity has been evaporated from the market. Why? If oil price goes down, then the heavy oil industries all across the globe is suffering from losses and debt, and all this debt coming to the balance sheet of every country. So we have seen, to support the economy, all the central banks of the whole world have reduced the rate of interest, repo rate and all, and added extra stimulus to the economy. And also to support the oil price, they have reduced and cut the production, but none of them has worked out. So it is a big factor going forward. Now, the another catalyst of this market depression is trade war, not only between US and China, all across the globe, all the countries focused to their domestic industry to grow up and maximize the export but restrain the import. As a result, if all the countries think we will only export, will reduce import, means it's getting nullified. The export oriented industries will be suffering. As of we know that Europe is the highest export oriented GDP. The highest contribution of export to the GDP ratio is in Europe or European countries, and US having the major dependency on oil export. Both the countries will have to little bit suffer because of this trade war. And finally, that we are suffering from an ongoing pandemic, that is COVID-19 and its breakout, changing the trade setup of emerging countries like India. The conventional business process and distribution moving into online practice, and it will getting concentrated in the hands of corporates and few big giants only. And we should not misunderstood the previous recession we have seen. 26 November terror attack, 2008 terror attack in US, that was a couple of days event, but this pandemic, COVID-19 and ongoing economic recession will keep on threatening periodically. Sometimes it may go down, sometimes it may go up. So it is obvious economic recession we are going through, and it is also a never ending process, because one virus will go out, another one will come in. So only few expert traders will make money in this market, otherwise most of we will be losing money. So how to trade? Wait for the opportunity to go down the Nifty or whatever index you follow globally, and keep accumulating the quality stock, giant stocks in a staggered manner. This is the most affordable and balanced way to stay on financial growth. Thank you very much.